Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Logitech G Pro X League of Legends headphones, and now I'm gonna show you how to factory reset all settings on this device. To factory reset all from these headphones, first we need to open the Logitech G Hub application. Then you will see your Pro XL device here, but you need to know that your device needs to be connected with USB adapter. So your mini jack cable, you need to connect to the Logitech G Pro adapter, and then as you can see it's Pro X tag, and then you need to connect it to your PC. Right. Then you will see here your Pro XL, and cool. So here choose the headphones and click reset. In this way you will reset the equalizer. Here you need to reset the volume, so choose system volume on 100%, mic on 60%, side tone to 50%, then surround sound, disable it. There are the normal settings of this device. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.